Hi, my name is Chris Arthur. I'm in the General and CNC Machine class at CTech. Here at CTech, adult education has changed me for the better, mainly in opening doors. I'm furthering my light background in education with several different fields. And the amount of communication that we get with job opportunities, job leads, and future employers is really fantastic. Here at CTech, once we finish the 720-hour program, we will have the ability to test for several different NIMS certifications. With that, we will be able to basically enter any entry-level position in the field that we are pursuing.